Welcome back to Global Bike Biz, where we dive deep into the most powerful, premium, and performance-driven motorcycles on the planet. Today's machine is not just a touring bike, not just a bagger, but a factory-built performance weapon straight from Harley-Davidson's elite custom vehicle operations division. This is the 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide ST, a motorcycle designed for riders who want long-distance comfort blended with aggressive performance, race-inspired styling, and exclusive craftsmanship that only CVO can deliver. This model represents Harley-Davidson pushing its boundaries, proving that a full-size American touring motorcycle can deliver thrilling performance without losing its legendary identity. The CVO Road Glide ST immediately sets itself apart the moment you lay eyes on it. The iconic frame-mounted sharknose fairing remains, but it has been refined with sharper edges, more aerodynamic shaping, and darker finishes that give the bike a far more aggressive and performance-focused presence. Harley-Davidson has leaned heavily into the West Coast performance bagger culture, where touring bikes are transformed into muscular, corner-carving machines with attitude. The lower-profile windshield improves airflow at higher speeds, while blacked-out engine components, wheels, and trim pieces enhance the bike's stealthy, custom-built look. Color-matched hard saddlebags sit tight against the body, emphasizing width and stability, while exclusive CVO paint schemes feature deep, layered gloss finishes with subtle graphics and hand-applied detailing that simply cannot be replicated on standard production models. At the heart of the 2026 CVO Road Glide ST is its most significant highlight, the Milwaukee-Eight 121 high-output V-twin engine. This is the most powerful production motor Harley-Davidson has ever fitted to a factory touring motorcycle. With a displacement of 1,977 cubic centimeters, this engine delivers immense torque across the entire rev range, making acceleration effortless and highway overtakes instant. Twist the throttle, and the bike surges forward with authority, reminding you that this is not an ordinary touring machine. The engine features higher compression, performance-focused camshafts, and a high-flow intake system designed to maximize power while maintaining reliability for long-distance riding. Despite its massive output, the motor remains smooth and refined, delivering strong power without excessive vibration, staying true to Harley-Davidson's long-distance touring DNA. The exhaust system plays a major role in shaping the Road Glide ST's personality. A lightweight titanium exhaust reduces overall weight while producing a deep, throaty exhaust note that sounds muscular and aggressive without becoming tiring on extended rides. It's the kind of sound that turns heads at traffic lights and echoes beautifully through mountain roads, yet remains comfortable during long highway stretches. Harley-Davidson has also focused on improved heat management, ensuring that engine and exhaust heat are better directed away from the rider. This makes a noticeable difference during slow-moving traffic and hot weather touring, a common concern among big V-twin riders. Performance doesn't stop at straight-line speed, and Harley-Davidson has clearly invested heavily in improving the handling of the 2026 CVO Road Glide ST. The chassis is equipped with premium suspension components, including fully adjustable inverted front forks and high-performance rear shocks. These upgrades transform how the bike behaves in corners, offering significantly improved front-end feel, reduced dive under braking, and greater stability at high speeds. For a motorcycle of this size and weight, the Road Glide ST feels remarkably composed when pushed hard. Lean angles are improved thanks to increased ground clearance, allowing riders to enjoy spirited riding without scraping floorboards too early, something performance bagger enthusiasts will truly appreciate. Braking performance matches the bike's power and handling capabilities. High-performance Brembo braking components provide strong, consistent stopping power with excellent feedback at the lever. Dual front discs with radial-mounted calipers ensure confident braking whether you're slowing from highway speeds or riding aggressively through twisty roads. Advanced electronic rider aids further enhance safety, including cornering ABS, traction control, and drag torque slip control. These systems work seamlessly in the background, providing support without interfering with the riding experience, making the bike feel both powerful and reassuringly secure. Technology is another area where the 2026 CVO Road Glide ST truly shines. The cockpit is dominated by a large, high-resolution touchscreen powered by Harley-Davidson's latest Skyline OS. This infotainment system offers intuitive navigation, smartphone connectivity, music control, and voice commands, all easily accessible while riding. Riders can customize the display to show performance data, navigation, or touring information depending on their needs. Multiple ride modes, including road, sport, rain, and customizable settings, allow the rider to adjust throttle response, traction control, and engine braking characteristics. Whether you're cruising comfortably or riding aggressively, the technology adapts to match your riding style. Despite its performance focus, comfort remains a top priority. The seating position is carefully designed to support both long-distance touring and aggressive riding. A specially designed performance seat holds the rider securely during hard acceleration and cornering while remaining comfortable for all-day rides. The handlebar position reduces strain on the shoulders and wrists, offering a relaxed yet commanding riding posture. Floorboards are positioned to balance comfort with cornering clearance, ensuring riders don't have to sacrifice long-distance comfort for performance capability. One of the strongest unique selling points of the 2026 CVO Road Glide ST is its exclusivity. CVO models are produced in limited numbers, and each bike receives a level of craftsmanship and attention to detail that sets it apart from standard Harley-Davidson models. Exclusive wheels, premium finishes, special badging, and performance-focused components make this motorcycle feel truly special. Owning a CVO Road Glide ST isn't just about riding, it's about being part of a select group of riders who demand the very best. Weight reduction has also been a major focus for the ST variant. Through the use of lightweight materials such as carbon fiber components, a titanium exhaust system, and performance wheels, Harley-Davidson has reduced overall mass compared to standard touring models. This reduction is noticeable the moment you start riding, improving acceleration, braking, and overall agility, reinforcing the bike's identity as a true performance bagger. Now let's talk about price. Premium engineering, exclusivity, and performance come at a premium cost. The expected starting price of the 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide ST is around $45,000 to $48,000 USD, depending on the market and optional customization. While this places it firmly in the luxury motorcycle category, the price reflects the level of performance, technology, and craftsmanship on offer. For riders who want the ultimate factory-built Harley-Davidson performance bagger, this motorcycle justifies its cost. In real-world riding, the CVO Road Glide ST delivers an experience few motorcycles can match. It can comfortably cover hundreds of highway miles in a single day, then confidently tackle winding roads with surprising aggression and control. It perfectly bridges the gap between luxury touring and performance riding, appealing to riders who refuse to compromise. Whether cruising across states, carving through mountain passes, or arriving at a bike meet, this motorcycle commands attention, respect, and admiration. In conclusion, the 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide ST represents the peak of Harley-Davidson's touring performance evolution. It blends legendary V-twin character with cutting-edge technology, race-inspired upgrades, and unmistakable CVO exclusivity. This is not a motorcycle built for everyone, and that is exactly its purpose. It is designed for riders who demand the best, who want factory-built performance without sacrificing Harley-Davidson's soul, and who see their motorcycle as an extension of their identity. The CVO Road Glide ST doesn't just raise the bar for performance baggers, it redefines it, carrying the Harley-Davidson legacy boldly into the future. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide ST, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Global Bike Bizz for more premium motorcycle reviews, future launches, and legendary machines on two wheels.